Hello, in this video, I'm going to be talking about arbitrage opportunity I came across when I'm making a research on CoinMarketCap. This Vega token, this arbitrage exists, and on this channel, I talk about token sales and how to make money with crypto. If this kind of topic you are looking for, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. So right here, this is the market where this token is being traded on. This is the exchange, and I want you to focus on this Vega USDT pair. It's selling at $1.10.007. And the other hand, with this Vega USD pair, it's selling at under $1. This is where things get interesting. And right here, then I went over to my Coinlist, and I press this trading right here, and it's going to take me to this view over here, this Coinlist Pro. And if you remember Coinlist Pro, that's when you'll be able to trade. And right here, and if I change this right now and I go with this Vega pair, USDT pair. This is the USDT pair. Then I'll be buying. I'm going to talk about how you'll be able to deposit money to this account, but I just want to show you how this opportunity exists on this Coinlist Pro exchange. This arbitrage exists. If I'm buying $1,000 worth of Vega token right now, I'll be paying, you see, estimate buy. I'll be getting 989.2811 worth of Vega token. Right now, I'll be getting this in Vega value, with USD value. I'll be selling to this pair, USDT pair right here, around 1.10007 cents. Estimate sell quality, you'll be making $93. Then you have to sell this to USDT PM. So you see this price right now is 0.9627. In the other hand, this is in pair you will be selling this Vega token on the same exchange. Over here, this is the USDT pair. And if I navigate to this level over here, you see, it's trading at 1.000. So around there, even though people go up to the extent and selling this price, are willing to sell at this price and willing to sell at this price. So you can sell at this price, or if you don't want to wait, someone over here are willing to buy from you over here. You can sell immediately at the market price right here, 1.501. Remember, you buy at this rate, at this Vega rates. Let me show you again. Let me talk about this again. At this rate, and you'll be selling at this 1.10 cent rate. And mind you, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to deposit US dollar into this account, because I will be trying this out because I have dollar accounts. So I will be checking out if my dollar account will be able to, I'll be able to link my dollar account with this Coinlist. You see, link bank. I'm going to press this to link my bank with this Coinlist and deposit money to this Coinlist account. Next thing I'm going to do is add bank account. I'm going to add my bank account to this. Then I'm going to press continue. And let's say, for instance, you have Bank of America US account. You'll be able to deposit money, link this right now, or Citibank online bank. And I have Revolut accounts. I'm going to press Revolut. So as you can see, Revolut account, this retirement Revolut account client assets. I don't have this account. So mind you, if you have someone who is living in US who have Revolut account, or you have this following bank account in US, Bank of America account, or you have this Citibank account, you'll be able to take this advantage of this arbitrage. And that's what I want to share with you guys. And if you want to try this out, or you have anyone, or you have this access to this US bank, you can signify in the comment section. Maybe you can do business, or you want to try this out. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be there to reply your comment and any other video you want me to talk about. And make sure this is not a financial advice. It's just a review on a research I made on how to make a crypto arbitrage, on how to make money with crypto. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Make sure you like the video and turn up your notification bell.